What is going on, guys? Back with a Loom video. A lot of people DM me and they were like, yo, we love these videos. Well, I'm going to show you how we're getting less than $2 to sign up for a webinar funnel. No, you can't just copy this and make money. Okay, there's a whole structure to the back end. There's all slides. There's a whole team. There's sales nurture. So don't just sit here and be like, yeah, I can copy this. Yeah, no, you can't. Okay, so this is one of my good private clients. He spends anywhere from 10 to 15K a month with us on just the service fee alone. So yes, this is not cheap to run with me. I do this with private one-on-one people. This is the same exact package that, all the big names and brands are on, guys like Andy Elliott, Brad Lee, Pace Morby, Justin Colby, all these dudes that are on my one-on-one scaling package. Which is 5 figures a month or more. Also got a new guy last week, Mike Escobar, excited about helping him scale out his workshop. So the webinar funnels are massive because you're doing a couple of things at the same time. One is you're building a lot of reach. 2 is brand recognition. 3 is all the signups go to your email list. So if you run an email list, I don't care if you have 3,000 people, 4,000 people. Kevin did not have anything at all. And I'm going to show you really how this breaks down as far as the ad account. So I'm going to hop in here real quick. And as you can see here, okay, this is the ad account. We're getting $2.35 a sign up, and then we're getting $1.64 on one. So the average is about, $1.90 per sign up. Now we are scaling these campaigns pretty aggressively. On top of it, running a page like campaign with 18,000 likes. And we're retargeting all of the webinar leads to his DMs because he has a DM setting team. So this has been doing very, very well. So all the people who sign up for the webinar, they can actually buy the offer sooner by just going to the DMs. Okay, and this is massively lethal. So if you're sitting there right now and you're like, oh, I don't want to take a bunch of sales calls and I don't want to do X, Y, and Z. I don't want to, have my calendar packed. I want to sell one to many. Run webinars. It's the most no-brainer thing. Okay, run webinars. You're going to have way more scalability. Some niches it works for, some niches it don't. So for me as an advertiser, we've ran webinars, and it's funny because I crush all my clients' webinars, but mine just does not work because advertising, people have too many questions. Most of the biz op offers that I run crush with this. It's got to be biz op, services, consultants, etc. I'm pulling up on my phone right now because Kevin texted us yesterday and literally did 70K last month just from webinars. Okay. He's killing it right now. And dude, I love working with people on this. So if you got value from this, seeing this, the stats, literally we're getting $2.35 per lead on one campaign, $1.64 on another, and then $5 retargeting messages. And he's selling a $19.97 offer. So he's killing it. And we've only spent $11,637 to make over 70 grand. And he just had a $20,000 day yesterday just with his last webinar because he runs them every Thursday. So hope this was valuable for you. I'm not going to get into all the creatives and all that stuff. Don't want to give too much away, but I wanted to really break this down for you so you understand having the right offer, the copy, the slides, all of this is meticulated. Okay. If you're wondering more about this breakdown here, a lot of people ask me what I do with these, and you have to have this unique mechanism when pushing any product. So we use a unique mechanism to disguise the product itself. So okay, you could just say all day that you're a trader, but what makes you different? Well, for him, it's the WGO options loophole. How is he trading options? What are the loopholes that he's using? What's the strategies, right? And this is his average win rate using one simple indicator. It's easy. It's digestible. It's a simple one sentence claim. A lot of people try to make these big claims oh yeah. For example, I'm releasing a new low ticket offer soon just for people who want to do webinars. And what's my angle? Sell one to many with 1 hour webinars and scale your course, digital product, or high ticket program on autopilot, eliminating sales calls, complicated funnels, and posting content every single day. That's a good ass headline and sub headline. So the way that you write, the way that you tell stories, the way that you infatuate will dictate how well your webinar does. So yeah, and Kevin doesn't even shoot videos online, doesn't have a big ass following. This works for a lot of people. So I'm going to go mass market with it. So with that being said, I appreciate all you guys. I love doing these Loom videos. I think it's very valuable for you guys to see stats and maybe see what I'm currently doing with clients so that maybe it pushes you to finally sign up. Like I always say in every single video, if you don't sign up, someone else is. And hate me or love me, your credit card won't. And everyone's an entrepreneur until it's time to pay up. So let's kill it. Money Friday, Money Monday, Money Tuesday.